Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I'll show you a couple of simple solutions to make your device work faster. So the first one is switching the power mode so that your device can be more productive by changing the software settings. So to do that, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, select Power and Sleep Settings, and in Power and Sleep Settings, once they load, select the Power Mode, select search for the plugged in option and change the balance to best performance. Now you can also change the same option for your device on battery, so for your device when it works on battery power, but if you select the best performance option right here, your device will discharge very quickly. So I think you should be aware of it. Okay, and the next thing I want to mention is disabling the startup applications if you have some excessive ones. To do that, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then go into the Startup Apps section right here on the left. And in my case, I have a bunch of applications, and some of them which have the enabled status will start up when I boot up my PC. This is the list of the essential applications, so I don't really want to disable anything right here, but if you have some game launchers or maybe some messengers that you don't necessarily need when you start up your PC, to disable any application right here, right-click on it and select Disable. And this way you will disable this application and it won't start up with your PC, so your PC will boot up faster, and also it won't run in the background while you're using your PC, so your PC will be running, will be more productive when you're using it. And the last thing that I want to mention is the open tabs in your browser, as they take a lot of your resources. To show you, let me open the Task Manager again. Let us go to the processes, for example, and let me show you the memory usage. And as for now, with a couple of open tabs, even with them being empty, the browser is using 500 megabytes of memory. Now if I expand the list of open tabs, you can see, you will be able to see in a while how drastically this number goes up, and this doesn't change even if I minimize my browser. So right now it's over 1 gigabyte of RAM memory that is being used, even with the browser minimized, even with these tabs being empty, so consuming the least possible resources. If I go into the performance section and look at the memory, you can see that I'm using almost all of my RAM memory right now. And it's, of course, it's affecting the way that the laptop works. So the simple thing that I wanted to mention here is that you should close the tabs that you're not using, because this has a very powerful effect on your device's productivity. Now this is more visible on the graph, so let's give it a while. And as you can see, the the memory usage is falling drastically once the browser is closed and all the tabs are closed. Let's go into the processes section, and right now memory usage is 62%. And as for now, the browser only uses 100 megabytes of memory. And the last very important thing I wanted to mention, on your PC, on your ASUS PC, there is this MyASUS app that should be pre-installed on your PC, so you can run it at any time. If you don't have it on your PC yet, for some reason, you can open Microsoft Store and look it up here. It's always here, so don't worry. It's pretty easy to install. Just look up MyASUS and download this application. And then once you download it, open it. You can also open it quickly using F12 button on your device. And once you open this application, if you open it for the first time, you'll have to register and sign in. It's a pretty simple process, and if you need some help on your way, check the video on how to run Diagnostics on this PC. I go through this entire process there. But basically it's pretty simple. Just input your email, create a password, and register this device by clicking one checkbox, and that will be enough. And this application is pretty easy to use. It is very effective too. So first of all, go into devices settings here and check the battery health charging. And if you want to increase your device's productivity, go with the full capacity mode. Then in system diagnostics, you can use one-click diagnostics or customized diagnostic once in a while to check your PC if everything works properly here. And in system update, just click check for updates, and if there are any updates to your device, then download them. Keep your system up to date. This will also increase your device's productivity. And basically that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.